If you want to make a fresh loaf of bread just like this one at home, this video is for you. Hey guys, and welcome to 4K Reviews and Ideas. Today we're transforming your kitchen into a bakery with the Cuisinart Bread Machine. I am going to show you how easy it is to create a delicious loaf of bread with just 6 basic ingredients. No fancy additives, just pure, homemade goodness with the help of Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. It's simple, it's satisfying, and it's all happening right here in your kitchen. The bread making machine comes with a recipe book for different variants and recipes, but for now, we are sticking with the basics. The best part about this machine is that you can combine all of the ingredients at once, and it will do everything else automatically. But you have to put them in order as per manual. First ingredient, 1.5 cups of water, room temperature. Follow that with 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil. Next, we got 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt, 4 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. The recipe calls for non-fat dry milk, but that is optional, and I am skipping that one. Finally, comes the active dry yeast. And that, my friends, is all the hardest prep work you have to put in. Your Cuisinart bread machine will take care of the rest, from kneading to baking. Just make sure when you drop your pan into the machine to lock it in place. Close the lid and select the basic white bread setting on your Cuisinart bread machine. Choose your preferred crust color, light, medium, or dark, and press start. Now it's time to let the Cuisinart bread machine work its magic. Let's see how this incredible machine transforms simple ingredients into a delicious loaf of bread. The first stage is kneading. The machine expertly mixes and kneads the dough, ensuring all ingredients are perfectly combined. Next, the dough is left to rise. This is where the yeast does its job, creating air pockets that make the bread light and fluffy. Patience is key here. The rising time allows the flavors to develop and the dough to double in size. Finally, the baking stage. The Cuisinart bread machine bakes the dough to perfection, giving it a beautiful golden crust. The aroma of freshly baked bread will soon fill your kitchen, a reward for your patience. And there you have it, folks. Our perfectly toasted bread fresh out of the Cuisinart bread machine. Just look at that golden brown crust. The aroma is simply irresistible, and the texture is just right. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. Let's cut into this beauty. Listen to that crunch. Whether you're making a classic sandwich or enjoying it with a spread of butter, this bread is sure to elevate your meal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews and delicious ideas. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy toasting!